Shalom, you're welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, I would be showing you a software that you can use to retrieve every single every single Wi-Fi password you've ever connected to. Yes, I'll be showing you the software, and then I'll leave you a link in the description where you can find the software. All right, and I'll give you the code to which you can use to run the software at the end of the video. So please do well to stay throughout this entire tutorial. It's not going to be long. Yeah, and I'm going to be very quick about it. So it's a very simple software. Once you download the WinRAR of the software, okay, and then you use the password that I give you at the end of the video. I'll show you where you get the password at the end of the video to unlock the WinRAR, and then once you extract it on your laptop, okay, you just open it. So there's a readme file you can go through in your own time. So all you do is that you just open the software, you just select yes, and once you open the software, it would give you all of the Wi-Fi passwords your system has ever connected to. Okay, it will give you all of the Wi-Fi passwords your system has ever connected to, the networks, and then the password. So over here you can see the names of the network over here under the network name, and then over here you can see the password. That's where the key is. All right. So the password for the 4G My 507 is this. Okay. Yes. So if you are someone who can think outside the box, this can be useful for you in so many ways. Maybe someone connected you to their network, but they didn't show you the password. You want to extract the password so you can connect on your phone, so you can use this. Maybe you get access to somebody's system, you know the person has router and all of this kind of stuff. Yeah. And note that this video is only for educational purposes only. However, you choose to utilize this software is for your own good. Okay, maybe you also forgot your password. Magically, you forgot your password. I mean, yes, you forgot your password. Uh-huh. Yeah, you can make use of this software and you'll be able to get back that password. Yeah. Maybe you're at your workplace, system is not connecting, the thing is not connecting, maybe the password is rather wrong. You get somebody else's system to connect it to, and then that's basically it. So with this, you can basically get the Wi-Fi password of any system. Yes, as long as you have access to the system, you'll be able to get a Wi-Fi password. Yeah. So once you go into the description of the video, you would see the link to my WhatsApp channel and my Telegram channel. You can also DM me directly if you want it. And once you DM me, I would direct you to the WhatsApp channel or the Telegram channel, and I would also give you the password. Okay. Yes, I would also give you the password. So it's going to be completely free. I'm not going to charge you anything for it. Yeah, it's going to be completely free. The password would also be in my Telegram and in my WhatsApp channel too. So if you have found this video useful, and definitely I'm very sure that this video will be useful for you, because useful content is what I do. And if YouTube showed my video to you, it simply means that you have been searching for an issue, you have been searching for a solution like this, and therefore I have provided you with a solution. So do well to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and then comment. All right, comment, let me know. Comment and tell other people that are going to watch this video that hey, you got a software and it actually does show the passwords and it's actually beneficial to you. Yes. So do well to subscribe, and I would be hoping to see you in my next video as my subscriber. Also give this video a very good thumbs up, because definitely yes, this video is a very helpful video, and these are the type of contents that I do, problem solving content. So if you want to be seeing more contents like this, then do well and like my video. All right, so I'll be hoping and looking forward to seeing you in my next video as a subscriber. Bye bye.